Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Riley Welch from 92 Social. Welcome to the YouTube page. Today, we are going to dissect a blog post and count how many content pieces you can make with one blog post that probably you can post in 1 month. Yes, 1 month's worth of content in one blog. So before we get started on today's video, there will be a downloadable guide on what we discussed today on blog posts and how many content pieces you can get from one post. It'll be linked roughly around here. And while you're doing that, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got great social media tips and advice for you and your business. Okay? Fire. So today we are, like I was saying before, we're picking a random blog post and we are dissecting that and see how many content pieces we can come up with to build your content base. Just one blog post, just one. All right, so let's a random blog post. Three, I love coffee, so I just wrote in coffee blog post and this showed up. 3 Christmas coffee recipes for your cafe. All right, so as we are looking to develop content pieces, and also, when you're developing a blog post, you also want to keep in mind on each header, each image, each everything are there legs to it? Are there ways you can make a post out of this little headline, right? So those are the things you got to keep in mind. So as we are landing on this blog page, the first one I would say is 3 best Christmas coffee recipes for your cafe. Boom. First and foremost, that is the introduction to the blog post. That's one social media post, and then we created a little thing right here. So this is essentially what I'm talking about when we are dissecting each piece of content in the blog. So as we see the blog post title, number 1, that's the first blog post, and this could be anywhere between just a regular post on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. And then we can scroll down. We can almost repurpose this little content. Christmas is just around the corner, blah, blah, blah. We can paraphrase this, and that could be your copy. So that's 1. 2 is that let's talk about Christmas latte. Yes, so the Christmas latte can be an individual post. So let's go back to our example. So subtopic. So that's the subtopic is the Christmas latte. So that's post number 2. This could be a reel. This could be a carousel post, just different photos of the Christmas latte. And then let's head back. And then again, same thing that we did with the intro. We can repurpose this verbiage into whatever we can find to support the first Christmas latte photo post. Second, if we scroll down, we can use this image as well, is the recipe. So for the recipe, this could be a reel. This could be more visual. Let's open our creativity a little bit. So that could be post number 3, and then post number 4 could be another carousel with different photos of the Christmas latte, and this could be more or less, hey, rate this latte. Does this look good? Use your creativity on that. So now let's go for our number 5 post. That is our 4th post in the Christmas latte. This could be another refresher post. This could be something I'm like, hey, just so you know, we were talking about Christmas lattes. We can almost do a recap on, the reel, the carousel, the general post about the Christmas latte, and almost a little helpful idea. This could be a guide on how to make the best Christmas latte. And that could be the 5th social media post. So you're already rocking 5 posts and hasn't been 2 minutes. So it's something, don't overthink social media. Keep it simple. And that's how it really does. That's how you really think about social media. You don't want to overthink it too much because you want to simplify your copy, simplify your content so it's easier for your followers to digest the information. So let's head over to the second subtopic, which is the Christmas mocha, and literally rinse and repeat this whole process. So the first post would be a general idea post where like, hey, this is our Christmas mocha, feeling fancy, X, Y, and Z. And then after that, we could do a carousel again, about different photos of the Christmas mocha, maybe different situations that you would drink a Christmas mocha. And then go down to the recipe, a little guide, a little reel. Again, just using what you already have. You're not really stretching. You're not really doing anything extra. You're just taking what you're seeing and you're just making it creative. And then finally, to wrap it back up for social media post number 9 is another recap of the Christmas mocha. So again, you see what we're doing. We're building up roots. We're building up streams for each subtopic, and then we're rinse and repeating the entire process. But because again, for you see the format, you see the formula, but on the outside, when people look, they don't really pick up on that. So a lot of people think, oh, they would see what we're doing, but they don't really care. Honestly, your followers don't care. They just want to see visuals. They just want to see the value that you're providing. Bring as much value that you can, and you'll be rocking and rolling. All right, so let's go to our third subtopic and remind you, we are at subtopic 3, social media post 10. We're already at social media post 10. Same sort of thing, general post, carousel, reel, and then the follow-up guide or another carousel, or just a general post. And then that brings us down to 13 social media posts. We're already at 13. So now let's bring it up to the next level. And again, knowing when you're writing your blog post, you're thinking about this formula. And then, so let's scroll down. And then right over here is see more inspiring coffee recipes, to check out our recipe section. So this is another avenue where in your blog post, you're directing them to a different blog that you can post about this. So again, you're also promoting your blog without promoting it. So that could be post number 14, where this could be more of a Facebook or Twitter quick post out, or this could be an Instagram story of maybe a series of stories, and then at the very end use that link that Instagram provides and say, hey, check out our another recipe section. So that is social media post number 14. Now let's scroll down even more, and then as you can see here, the writer of the blog post. So that is another post that we can produce that is related to the blog post, but again, not really. You're just introducing the blog writer, and that is also relevant to you, to your business, to this blog post, and you can do like a profile of some sort. What is the writer's favorite coffee drink, Christmas coffee drink? There we go. So now you can put that into a video form. Use your iPhone, shoot it, and that is a perfect Instagram reel. They can also repurpose that for Facebook Reel, YouTube Shorts, etc. And TikTok, hey. And then finally, at this point, social media post number 16, we can just do another review. So remember when we posted about the blog post, that's our very first one? You can do the exact same thing for the last one. So 2 bookends on the blog post. So you can almost take what you wrote for the first one, repurpose that, and there you go. That's post number 16. So that is pretty much the wrap up on how you can take one blog post and turn it into a full month's worth of social media posts. Because you got 16 posts that you can spread out easily in a month. If you have multiple blog posts, that means more social media content for you. So let us know in the comments below if you found this interesting, found this useful. Again, we have a guide linked here or there all about this video, all about our formula on how to dissect a blog post for you and your business. So let us know if you found that helpful, and we'll see you guys next time. See ya.